Hello, my name is Bob. You haven't seen me face before because you might have seen my hands, but I'd like to, this time, show you something that my son has done with his hot tub. People said it could not be done, so I was quite impressed with it. I taught him well and I'm really proud of him, so I'd like you to see what he's done. So if you can look at this link, whatever you have to look in, I don't understand all this rigmarole, but if you can have a look at it and see what you think, and I'll be grateful to see your results on it. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.
Okay, so I'm going to make this video to help someone out if their hot tub isn't working, or if they're fed up with keep changing the cartridges all the time and find it really hard to keep the water clean. This hot tub, as you can see, has got no cartridge. It's got no controls. The pipework, it comes out. I've taken out the pump, all the electronics, taken all that out, heater, the lot. And what I've done, I've turned this basically into like a mini sort of plunge pool, stroke swimming pool. Still works, still operates. So we still have everything full. Everything works great in it. Absolutely perfect. And what I've done, I've run the pipe work down here. Now this is actually all going to get insulated and covered up with gravel and stones. And in the shed we have the sand filter and heater. So I'll quickly go through what I've done. So let me just stand back. So that's it all there like that. So what we've got the inlet coming in now from the hot tub. It's going along now into our filter and pump, which is over there, which is an Intex. And it pumps, I believe, 2,800 gallons an hour, which is overkill for a hot tub, I know, but it's perfect and it's crystal clean. I don't have to change any cartridges, I don't have to clean it, I don't even have to backwash it. It goes into the filter there. Now in this filter, obviously this is a sand filter. And in this sand filter I've actually got filter balls. They're like little balls of cotton wool. Better than sand because it's easier to maintain. You can clean them out, you can put the filter balls in the washing machine when you want to wash them. You haven't got to worry about doing any sand or back washing. So it goes through there into the sand filter, comes out here, along there, up there. Now I've done a bypass to go across there, and that's the outlet going back to the hot tub. I've teed off there, come along here, I've got a heater in there, and in this heater, as the pump turns on, the water flows, there's a flow switch in there, that activates the heater, and that heater's a 2 kilowatt heater by the way, and that heats that through there, comes up there, and then back round and out, like that. So we've got a bypass there. If we need to, we can open that, let it go through there as well, but we want it hot, so we let it go round the bypass. I spoke to a few people about this and they said it wouldn't work. running a hot tub off of a sand filter. I can assure you it does work. I've got hot water, it's absolutely brilliant. Lovely hot water.